Welcome to the newest creation by the Zero Phuket, a sustainable, sophisticated address just 350 meters from Nayang Beach and beside Sirinat National Park. This exclusive development offers 150 ready-to-move-in units across 2 stunning buildings, each fully furnished for a seamless lifestyle. Here, life unfolds effortlessly. Enjoy pet-friendly living in a welcoming community, perfect for families and those who value harmony. Unwind in the spa, swim in the rooftop infinity pool, or take in sweeping sunset vistas above the treetops. Stay active on professional paddle courts, or relax with a classic film at our outdoor cinema. Sharpen your swing at the state-of-the-art golf simulator, or retreat to thoughtfully designed interiors. Every detail, from layout to furnishings, is curated for comfort and quality. This address is as practical as it is beautiful, close to shopping, schools, village essentials, and just minutes from Phuket International Airport. Flexible payment plans make ownership accessible, while an estimated 11% ROI positions your new home as a solid investment in lifestyle and in value. Live where every day feels like a holiday. With Zero Developments, discover the comfort, community, and investment you've been waiting for. Contact us now to secure your piece of paradise. Your dream home is within reach.